Hey everyone, welcome back to Hot Skinny Recipe. Today, we're making super simple sushi bites super easy, no fancy tools needed, and perfect for beginners. Whether you're meal prepping or hosting a party, these bite-sized sushi rolls are a total game changer. Let's get rolling. Here's what you'll need for these super simple sushi bites: sushi rice nori sheets, fresh fillings, cucumber, avocado, crab sticks, smoked salmon, soy sauce, sesame seeds, spicy mayo, bamboo mat or plastic wrap. First, rinse your sushi rice until the water runs clear. This removes excess starch for perfect sticky rice. Cook according to package instructions, then season with a mix of rice vinegar, sugar, and salt. Now, take a small square of nori, add a spoonful of rice, and spread it thinly, leaving a tiny border at the top. Add your favorite fillings in a line. I'm using cucumber, avocado, and crab stick. Less is more here. Gently roll it up using your fingers or a bamboo mat. Press lightly to seal the edge. No need to be perfect. Now, slice into cute little sushi bites, perfect for popping straight into your mouth. Look how adorable these are. Drizzle with spicy mayo, sprinkle sesame seeds, and serve with soy sauce. Mix it up with different fillings. Try cream cheese and salmon, mango for sweetness, or tempura crunch. And that's it, super simple sushi bites in minutes. No stress, no mess, just delicious fun. Let me know in the comments, what's your favorite sushi filling? If you loved this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a recipe. See you next time. Happy rolling!